So these are the lateral ventricle, third ventricle, and you'll see they're all connected. See how there's tubes kind of running between them? And the ventricles is where the cerebrospinal fluid is made. The choroid plexus, those are the actual cells that make the cerebrospinal fluid. What else does CSF do? It doesn't just go around the brain. It comes down all the way around your spinal cord. It goes all the way down to your tailbone. And your body is constantly making new CSF and getting rid of the old CSF. What does CSF do? Why do you have CSF?
Carry information to cells.
Close. It carries something.
Waste.
Yep. And the other side of waste? Nutrients. Right? What the CSF does is it picks up that oxygen and then carries it to the brain. It utilizes it, it picks up the CO2, it pulls that back out. And guess what? Where's the CSF go after it picks up the CO2?
To your drains.
Yeah, it goes right through these arachnoid granulations, goes right back into your bloodstream, so it can go back, right, to the lung, right? So we can pick up more and we can come back up and do it again.